Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Augie and I've got Loot Crate DX. I got two of them actually, one bigger than the other. This one's a smaller one. We're going to start with that. We're going to make two videos out of it. So if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below to get notified of any upcoming videos, and we're going to get started. Cut open the box. Put this down here. Okay, we'll pull out this, whatever this is with the string first because, oh, that's two things, huh? Okay, let's pull that one out. It's a pair of sweats. Oh. Na Batman. Batman and Robin scaling the skyscraper. I remember that episode. Oh, these are cool. Okay. I don't care what else is in the box. I got my Robin fix. Alright, next we have a shirt, and I saw it. I lost my and it is a Rick and Morty, I think. No, it's Scooby-Doo. Oh. Keep on meddling. That's a nice shirt. That's a really nice shirt. I will take this with me on the trip. Not to give away either. This one's for me. Alright, next we have, that's it. There was two items in the box. And we have the card. So we're going to go to... Okay, so I lost my audio, so we're going to dub this. We have Super Friends and Saturday morning cartoons. This was the Super Friends box. We scroll down. Open it, download the PDF. Come on, click it. Here we go. And here we are, Super Friends DX. We have the Batman and Robin joggers and the t-shirt, but we were supposed to have a Toy Story 4 bandana, a BFFS pin, and the Super Friends puzzle, which we did not get. We'll email them. Actually, I already did. They said 6 to 8 weeks to replace the items. So, there you are, Loot Crate. Okay, so we'll go back to the regular audio right about here. And we're going to pop this one open, and hopefully it's the remainder of the other box. Let's find out. If not, it's going to be the Saturday morning cartoons. But let's pull out the top thing, which is a Hall of Justice mouse pad. So, was that in here? That's not in here. What is this from? It's cool. So we've got a Hall of Justice mouse pad and a t-shirt. This is not... It is a Saturday morning cartoons. So, we didn't get all of our other box. So that's a cool shirt. Looney Tunes. But where's the rest of my box? All we got was, I'll make sure nothing else fell. No, just the shirt and the All we got was this shirt and the joggers. Okay, next we have Narfs. Chocolate frosted Narfs. Beanie in the brain. Pinky in the brain, I'm sorry. What does that say? Pinky, are you pondering these delicious new marshmallows that I'm pondering? Free. Plan to take over the world in this box. This is cool. This is not what was supposed to be here. And then we got the Flintstones chip clips, Dino and Baby Puss chip clips. This is cool. Very cool. I may have to take these to my grandbaby though. We'll see. Next is Animaniacs. Good Feathers. A Q-Pig. This is a cool Q-Pig. Q-Pigs always do a good job with their... But where are the stuff from... Oh, and the pin, which is a upside down. Is that Rosie from the Flintstones? Okay, so let's get out the card. It just fell on the floor. Where did it go? Right there. So let's swap cameras. Okay, again, my audio is not working on the video, so we will overlay it. Okay, Saturday Morning Cartoons DX. Celebrate the best Saturday mornings of yesteryear with an animated assortment of premium collectibles and gear in this month's Loot Crate DX. Scroll down, we got the Looney Tunes Disney tie shirt, the Good Feathers Q-Max figure, Pinky in the Brain zip pouch, the Flintstones chip clips, Justice League mouse pad, and Saturday morning pin. We're still missing our stuff from another box. The second box was really cool. The first box started out great, but half the stuff wasn't there. So, in this box, we got Pinky in the Brain, the Good Feathers, some pretty cool chip clips, a Rosie the Robot pin, and a Looney Tunes tie-dye t-shirt with Sylvester, Taz, Daffy, and what's his name? That's all, folks. Oh, there's Tweety and Bugs on here too. This is a really cool shirt. Alright, so any of you guys get this box also? Did you get, not this box, but the first box? Did you get everything, or was it missing items also? That's why it was in such a small box. But the second box was really good. So let me know what you guys thought. What was your favorite item from either box? Or pick an item from each box. I'm going to pick it's awful hard to choose between Scooby and Batman. Really hard. So I'll take them both. And then the t-shirt, and, well, no, these, I liked everything. I don't know. And that's hard to say with Loot Crate. Keep this up, Loot Crate. Other than not delivering what you say you're going to deliver. The stuff that was missing would not have been my favorite items. But still, where are they? Comments down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.